Welcome back to Ratchet Clank Size Matters. Do we... No, it's the same thing. Okay, fair enough. This is the only Ratchet... Well, not... Okay, it's one of the two Ratchet Clank games on the PSP, although I'm playing it on the Vita. It doesn't look that bad, it looks pretty decent. Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay, we gotta change the camera because this is gonna get silly otherwise. Ah! What is he doing? Yikes. That thing needs to stop. Seriously, I don't like it when it's like this. It doesn't look that bad, it just looks decent. Yeah.
Cameras just keep coming. What should we do? Just ignore them. They are probably an automatic security system.
Really?
All right, let's keep moving. They blow up real good, though.
Oh no. Alright. Thank you for the ammo. Damn you. Alright. I'm dead! I'm back here. Alright, let's keep going. We gotta change weapons. This is not gonna end well if we... Alright, there we go. What did I buy? Well, we can't even... Ah! Agents of Doom. But... No. Alright, fine, we ignore them. This is not doing...
Press the L button and R button together to center the camera behind Ratchet.
Oh dear. Right, now... Where is he? Ugh.
Be careful with that. Ooh, that was a close one. Now, let me have that water pistol, little fella.
Are you serious?
It worked! I finally perfected my Sproutomatic! Sproutomatic, you say? How does it work? By shooting mimic plants, you can make them float.
Yes, I
Then,
know, I
by
know.
hitting the water
Can
away
we at
from
least...
soil, the plant will hop in and transform itself into a platform, a creature, whatever you need.
Well, this is...
Did you hear that, Ratchet? That would come in very handy. Yeah, great. Since you helped with the final test, I will give you this prototype to try for yourselves. Wow!
Wow, really? Alright, hang on, I have to center it myself. Okay, let's stop here. There we go. Jeez. Let's save right here, because I don't trust my phone right now. Yeah, that is it. We got a new weapon, and it's the I think it's the Plotomatic, what that guy said. And I'll do it next time. See ya.